Hello everyone. Today we are going to solve a crypto challenge from Smiley CTF. So here is the challenge. They provide us a netcat server and this challenge file. So I downloaded the challenge file. Let's see. So this is the challenge file. Let's see what is inside it. So you can see this is the challenge script provided by the challenge. So here this challenge file, it has a secret P and Q and N. Now that is P into Q. Its function fx gives us a random square root of x modulo n. Now we need to send challenge point to known squares. Fx returns to the square roots. From this we calculate n. We make y square mod n and send it to the challenge file. The fx return a root s. If s is not y, then s and y helps us find p, a factor of n. Then q, which is n divided by p. So this script uses public e. With pqe, we make private key d. The challenge pi gives us message m. We calculate the signature n to the power d mod n and send the signature. So this is the challenge file. So according to this, I made a solution script. So here is it. So here you can see. So this is the solution script. Let's run it. So here it is recovering n. And yes, we got a flag. Yeah. So I hope you guys enjoyed it.